Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Id.3 PRO, 107 kW family, 58 kWh, the ultimate electric estate car for your family's needs. With a sleek grey exterior and luxurious interior features, this vehicle is sure to impress. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone to wireless charging. This car is loaded with comfort and convenience options for your driving pleasure. Safety is a top priority with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, among the many security features included. Not to mention the stylish privacy glass, glass roof, and spoiler that will turn heads wherever you go. This car also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie for more details today. Drive into the future with the Volkswagen Id.3 PRO 107 kW family, 58 kWh.